Hello everyone! This is a video about another district, Dubai Marina. It's one of the most famous and expensive parts of the city. I'll show all its sides and give you advice how to save money on entertainment. On this photo, you can see how the neighborhood looked in the beginning of building in 2003. And this is how it looks now. The district was built by 90% in 15 years. Dubai Marina is an elite part of the city with the atmosphere of luxury. The property here is affordable only for the rich. Sport cars are driving around the streets. Luxury yachts are docked in the bay. The artificial sea canal goes through the whole district. It's quite wide, but its depth is several meters only. There is promenade along both sides of it. It's called Marina Walk. It is 7 kilometers long. Dozens of various cuisines restaurants lined up along the promenade. Also, there are several bridges across the canal. The public transport system is well developed. There is a subway along the area. It takes 10 minutes on foot from the station to the beach. There are also buses, water transport, and the modern tram. The larger part of tram line goes through Marina, and only several stops are beyond the district. The most outstanding part is Jumeirah Beach Residence, or JBR. It is composed of 40 buildings of sand color. Its peculiarity is the fact that it is in the beachfront. Many people dream to purchase property here, because when you leave the house, you find yourself on the most popular beach of the city. All entertainments are right at your feet, and the window view is fascinating. Dubai Marina is a very popular place. Dubai residents and tourists come here from all districts of the city. There is a good beach, walking zone, and a lot of entertainments. In autumn and spring, at the height of the season, thousands of people sunbathe on the beach. You can ride the camel right here, or drink a coffee at the height of 40 meters. There are several 5-star hotels, from the public beach to the island palm side. Every hotel has its own swimming pools, restaurants, and entries into the beach zone. Besides hotels, there are public beach bars and discos. They are open from morning till night. Each of them has its own advantages. The best beach bar of the city is Barasti. The entry is free, but you cannot take anything with you inside. The bar offers a discount, 30% for some drinks, every day from 5 till 8 p.m. The place Zero Gravity is very popular too. It's a bar and restaurant on the beach, but the entrance fee is required, and there are no discounts. At least the atmosphere is very expensive and luxury. Moreover, Zero Gravity is also known for its night discos. The district has plenty of entertainments. Here are some of them. The rent of a jet ski. You should pay $190 per hour, which is not cheap. The rent of a jet ski is 7 times cheaper in the near Emirate Sharjah on the Al Mamzar beach. It's only $28. So do not hurry to overpay. I'll definitely tell about this beach in more details in a separate video. Joyrides on a rubber banana or bagel last 15 minutes and cost $29. A bouncy castle on water is available both for adults and children older than 6. You are given a flotation vest. The entry is paid for the whole day. The most unusual is a flyboard. It is a small platform, somehow reminding a snowboard. Your legs are secured on it. A thick hose is attached to the platform as well. Water goes through this hose. An instructor controls its pressure on a jet ski, and you fly on its streams. Controlling the stream's direction, you keep the balance. Be prepared to fall. Guides in hotels often sell tourists trips on yachts for $70–80 per couple of hours. There is a public trip ferry in Dubai Marina. It will drive you for an hour just for $14 and also show you Atlantis Hotel. In case if you want a sea trip in the open air, it's better to have dinner on ferry. The average price is $82 for a person for 2 hours. It's the same money as for the guided trip, but with good dinner. Marina Mall is the main shopping center of the district. The doors are always open for shopping lovers. Here you can buy a ticket for an extreme zipline ride, Hang Tight. You'll be attached to a special cable system in such a way that the feeling of a free flight will be as real as possible. It takes only half a minute to finish a kilometer on the cable, starting by the roof of a 42-floor building. By the way, this is the longest urban zipline in the world. The most extreme thing is skydiving. It's very popular in Dubai, so it's better to book a place in advance. Such a pleasure is not really cheap, but you will remember the experience for the rest of your life. You will jump with an instructor and the cameraman. When you come back home, you will share emotions with relatives and loved ones by showing them a video of your jump. Another variant to thrill yourself is a flight on a gyrocopter. It resembles a small helicopter with only one passenger seat and an open fuselage. It will be a nice joyride. It will last for 20 minutes. The residential houses in Dubai Marina always have a high-level service and nice atmosphere. Almost every building has a good gym, swimming pool and sauna. The rent of a studio in Dubai Marina starts with $10,500 and one-bedroom apartment $13,000 per year. After the sunset, the beaches are becoming empty and people go back on land. Dubai Marina gains special beauty at night. The lights from buildings and city lamps create romantic atmosphere, especially when you have a dinner on terrace with a glass of wine. Some sea trips work till night, and dinner on yacht among city lights will contribute to romantics. Life is action in night places. Bars and clubs are full, and it goes on until 3 in the morning. There is a live music in Barasti. In Zero Gravity, the DJ spins. The hottest parties are on Thursday, Friday and Saturday. That's all about Dubai Marina. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. It was the Bald Guy. I'll see you soon.